Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to my Dollhouse Kit series of videos, and today I will be assembling the bathroom. Thank you if you've been watching my shorts. I have been trying really hard to post a short every day to keep people engaged, and mostly I post in shorts that relate to these videos. So if you've come to me from the shorts, welcome along, and if you're already with me and you watch my shorts, thank you very much. So as I'm doing this Dollhouse series, I'm tending to post shorts to do with that. But when I do decor, I'll post shorts to do with that and so on. But if I do happen to pop to the shops and get anything cool, I'll always share it with you as it happens. So keep looking out for my shorts. As I say, I will try to keep them up because it is a fun way of sharing and it's really quick. A nice little snapshot of what's going on. So in today's video, you'll see pretty much what's going on. I'm making the walls and doors, which are lovely little perspex with a black frame, and then I'm making a vanity unit, sink, toiletries, a shower cubicle, a mirror, a towel rail. The toilet's already made, so that'll just be popped in, and a laundry basket and a bath mat. So all of that's going to go in, so just keep watching and you'll see it all happen and it'll all come together at the end. So the bathroom has turned out super cute. I can't believe the bottles are literally just beads with little pictures on and bead on top. So I'm definitely going to be using that idea. And also the shower fitment is basically just some wire and beads and things. And I've got those things, so I shall be making my own shower unit for my bathroom in my other dollhouse. And also the towel rail, so simple, again just a piece of wire bent round with 2 beads on the end and then a lovely towel on top. So I've been inspired, I hope you've been inspired. And I hope you come back next time for another look around the dollhouse kit, and we'll be working on the kitchen. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next week, take care. Bye-bye.